Faced with our potential mortality in our late 50s and the knowledge that life is short, we had limited good years remaining in this life journey of ours. It was clear a life change needed to happen or our time was going to run out. We'd worked hard our entire lives, raised a blended family, and raced on the hamster wheel like pros, all with the promise of more of the same until we left this earth. We took a giant leap of faith, grabbed each other by the hand, and said goodbye to our big house and lucrative income to retire to our little cottage in the woods, a shed, really. We're turning our 336 square foot, one bedroom cottage into the tiny house of our dreams and a life worth living. I'm Christine. This is my husband, Mitch. Welcome to my tiny retirement. This is our story. Guys, I left my gimbal in the car, so sorry about that. We are at Portsmouth Naval Shipyard to go look at the boat. It is a Carver 355. We're in Kittery, Maine. Oh, here comes Mitch. All right, I'll pick up more in the car. All right. It's one of those right there. Yeah, I think it's the one that is...
On the other side, the blue one.
Yeah, the one that's nose in.
Oh, I thought it was the one on the other side of the phone number, nose out.
Oh, nose out. Oh, it could be. Oh, it could be.
Because the stern on the other one has the wedding cake stairs going up off the swim platform.
Oh.
So I think it's the boat on the other side of that. Okay. I'm gonna roll windows down and shut the engine off.
Yeah. Okay, so we are at the marina. This is where we've decided is going to be our home port. Mm-hmm. And it's been a good number of years since we've been here. Mm-hmm. As I was saying. Been a good number of years since we've been here, so...
Oh God, 2006 for me.
Well, it was sooner than that for me. It was before we moved up to Wayne, because I used to hit the commissary here all the time, so it's been a good 4 years. And back then, we needed to have a pass for our vehicle, so we got here early thinking we had to go in and, show our registration, proof of insurance, all that stuff, and get a day pass. Well, they looked at me in there like I had two heads. Well, you have a pass, right? You have an ID, right? And I'm like, yeah. Just show your ID. Go right on in. And I'm like, what?
Well, a lot of the bases are like that, but this base is a whole nother animal. It's a nuclear submarine shipyard. Yeah,
it's a different level of security and everything.
Yeah.
So there we go. We have an appointment in about 20 minutes. Yeah. And he said he was driving a white truck.
There's one right there.
There's another one there. There's one over there around the corner. So, not really sure. But it looks like there's only one slip. So, one dock, and it just...
Yeah, well, there's another one on the other side, but I think this is the actual... Hopefully this is the right one, because there was like two. I don't know.
I don't know either.
I don't know. Should have asked.
here, guys. If you can see my finger, I can't tell. This right here is where, when they take it out of the water, is where you want the, what is it, the straps to lift the boat out. And they're not on there right now, but there are pads.
Yeah, those things.
So we just came up
More sun out so stuff doesn't decay, you know.
here.
That too, I don't like the sun. I mean, the sun is so strong.
There's
these
another
days.
Yeah.
And,
to get out on the deck right there. Okay, I like the rails, nice and high. Ice maker?
They're real rails. They're not just lines. Yeah.
Sorry, I'm being nosy.
Okay.
Yeah.
So. the
Oh
ice
wow,
maker-
that is nice.
The ice maker is awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the best freaking ice maker. It makes those banana cubes and they're solid. They're
Oh,
hollow.
I gotta get a picture of
We can
you.
get,
Awesome.
we can get it, so if we do buy the boat and it doesn't work, we can send them an email saying, hey, you said these are solid.
That's all right. I've got an ice maker. No, I'm looking.
Okay. He's looking? All right.
Okay, and then another. Okay, and here's the. Oh, here's the test.
Here's the test, see if you can see. Yeah, we'll see.
I can. Here's my view.
She's 4 foot.
I
She's 4
have
foot
to
10
sit.
inches.
I have to sit down on the cushion. I do. I sit on the cushion.
And here's my view.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Well, this works. I'm kind of up on my tippy toes, but I can do it.
No.
So you went down there, cleaned everything out, and painted Battleship Gray, huh?
I have not painted the deck. I did paint those top covers because the previous owner, they didn't care when they just stepped down on those.
Yeah.
But that's been painted like that for at least 10 years.
Yeah, well, that's a good color to have a step. Yeah, that fuel injection helped you a ton, didn't it?
So I put on the freshwater cooling system myself.
Smart.
And down here, I put on the valve there.
Yeah.
I tapped into the cap, put the elbow, and so when I come in from out in the ocean, or anytime we take this boat out, it gets flushed out when I come back. I shut my intake valve, open up that yellow handle, and get the garden hose in and fill the bucket, and fire the engine. So I've just really shut the ocean off, and now that's my water source. And all it's doing is just going through the pump and just cleaning out that heat exchanger right there.
I was wondering the bucket because the yellow handle in my world is fuel. I was like, I gotta ask him about that because
Spray paint, if you don't want it that color.
I know, but no, in my head I was like,
well, I'll tell you, I'll be honest with you. I took the cap, because on here in the shipyard, I knew everybody, and I took it to the pipe shop, and I said, I need a hole drilled in here and tap. I said,
All right. This is the boat for us. We decided this is the boat for us. We told Tim, the gentleman that's selling it, we want this boat. Let us go home, talk to our bank. Let's see if we can't make this happen. The bank said no. The boat is too old. Regardless of the fact that the boat is better than brand new, cleaner than brand new, upgrades that a brand new boat wouldn't have. The boat, our bank would not finance a boat older than that. As old as this boat. This was a 1997, and they said they will not finance older than 2012. We said, okay, fine. We'll call another bank. We went to a number of different lenders, and they all said the same thing. That in this market, in this economic climate, it's irrelevant what shape the boat is in. They will not finance a boat older. And a couple of them wanted, oh, I've got a thing around me, and a couple of them were going to require a down payment significantly larger than we had planned for. And one of them actually suggested, but we can put a line of equity on your home, especially since you have no mortgage. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. We went tiny to be mortgage free, and we are. And there's a lot of security in that. You folks who do not have a mortgage or have gone your whole lives paying a mortgage and now you own your house outright, you don't mess with that. So yes, we found the perfect boat for us. Loved the seller, the gentleman selling it. Went around to a number of different banks, and we cannot get financing in this economic climate. And one of the banks actually said that because we don't have a mortgage, that's actually hurting us because we don't have a mortgage. I was like, wouldn't that mean that we're being responsible and invest our money? You know, we choose carefully what we invest our money in, but no. So, it's taken me a few days to put this video up, to come to do this ending, because I was crushed. I was devastated. That was the boat for us, hands down. And even if we were to buy a brand new boat, it won't be this boat. So, with our trip to Indiana coming up, our trip out to the Midwest to see family and kids, and old friends, because that's where Mitch grew up. We're going out there, and you guys, I'm exhausted. I'm just, the emotional ups and downs. I just am. But we're just going to take a step back now and take a look next year. Maybe the economy will be better. Maybe lending rules and requirements will be a little better. So for now, our boat search is over, at least for this season. Now we're going to coast into fall. We're going to start getting ready for winter. So thank you for your support. Thank you for coming along with us as we looked at other boats, as we kept looking for our boats. But we're done for this season. We're done. We'll try it again next year. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.
If you have liked this video, please be sure to subscribe and hit the Notify All button to be notified of future videos. Also, please like, share, and comment. Thanks for watching.